How to reset Blox Fruits stats. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to reset your stats in Blox Fruits, you will need a stat refund, and here's how you can get it. So go ahead and buy it from NPC. Find the NPC name Bloxter or the Shita guy, and then go to first C, use codes, and then go to second C, find Bloxter at the cafe. Go to third C, find Bloxter at the mansion. Now purchase a stat refund using the fragments, which is usually 2500 or 75 Robux from the shop. After this, use a stat reset code, which is for free. You can use a valid code to reset your stats for free. And to redeem, click on the Twitter bird icon in the game top left and enter the code, and then click on redeem. Keep in mind that the codes expire, so check the official Blox Fruits Discord or Trello for updated codes. And buy from the shop. Click on the shop icon on the left, go to MISC, then select Stat Refund, which costs 75 Robux, and you'll be done. So resetting stats lets you reallocate the points in melee, defense, sword, gun, and Blox Fruit. There is no cooldown for resets if you use Robux or fragments. So tell me which C you're on and what you want to use your stats for, like PvP, grinding, or specific fruit, and I can help you create the best stat build. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.